Hello guys, welcome to Supremacy classes. Guys, be ready for a dictation, especially prepared for Patna High Court steno skill examinations, which is going to be held on 30th September 2023. Be ready, guys. 5 seconds. The sudden death of the charismatic leader N.T. Rama Rao, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, removes from the political scene a person who had emerged as a champion of the poor and the downtrodden in the brief period of 14 years he had been in politics. It was in 1982 that the matinee idol first conceived the idea of forming a political party, the Telugu Desam Party, with the avowed purpose of uplifting the Telugus and upholding the dignity and honor of the community as a whole in the national context. The party was primarily a one-man show, and very few thought that the TDP would make a mark in the elections to the State Assembly in 1983. The Congress first, which was ruling the state uninterruptedly for several years, was for the first time humbled beyond recognition, and Rama Rao assumed the mantle of chief ministership, which he held for 5 years with a brief break when one of his close associates, Mr. Nandela Bhaskar Rao, finance minister in his cabinet, revolted against him and formed the government, which lasted for just over a month. Rama Rao's triumphant return as chief minister after the then Prime Minister Mrs. Gandhi intervened is a story by itself. Rama Rao did not lose heart when in the 1989 election his party suffered a defeat at the hands of the Congress, but continued to build up the Telugu Desam, waiting for a chance to stage a comeback at the appropriate time. That opportunity came to him in December 1994 when he won the elections with an overwhelming majority unprecedented in the annals of electoral battles in the state. Unlike the Congress one, which was driven by factions, the Telugu Desam Party presented a picture of total unity, with all the senior members giving their unflinching support to the leader. After his 1989 defeat, the TDP Supremo had realized that his celluloid image would not take him very far, and he was said to be slowly recovering some of the lost ground by re-establishing contact with the people. Of course, the lackluster performance of the Congress government also helped him to stage a comeback. And when matters were moving in the right direction, there was a sudden setback for Rama Rao when some of his party men, led by his son-in-law Mr. N. Chandrababu Naidu, staged a coup, following which he lost his majority in the assembly. Rama Rao decided to quit the chief ministership instead of accepting the directive of the governor to prove his majority in the house, knowing fully well that he was only fighting a losing battle. Stop. सो गाइस ये डिक्टेशन थी 90 WPM के अराउंड में। होप सो आप लोग इसे अच्छे से लिखे होंगे, इसे अच्छे से ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिएगा, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके स्टेनोग्राफी स्किल को एक स्टेज ऊपर ले जाने में। तो यदि आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहा है तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।